Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Here's everything I got at the Nykaa Pink Sale haul. First up is this free product that I received with the purchase. It is the Swiss Beauty Mattifying Makeup Primer. Here's what I got is the Swiss Beauty Matte Shimmer Shine Makeup Kit. It's a set of 4. Let's appreciate how cute is this holographic makeup pouch. It has these golden studs all over it. It comes with 2 lip gloss and a lip and a cheek tint. First is this cheek tint, which can be used on your lips, cheek or eyelids. It's in the shade Berylicious. It has a beautiful deep pinkish brown nude shade. Next we have is this plumping lip gloss. It's a clear and pink shimmer lip gloss. It is in the shade 02 Pink. It is perfect for the festive season. Next we have this lip gloss in the shade 12 called Paint the Town. It is almost a reddish orange lip gloss. This entire set retails for rupees 722, but I received it for 505 rupees during the sale. In my opinion, this is also like a perfect gift you can give someone during your Secret Santa, as currently on Nykaa this product retails for 542 rupees. Next is my daily essential, which I've been using for years. It's always a perfect time to stock it up on a good deal. This is the Nivea Roll-On Deo. They had a deal on the first day for all Prime members where you purchase above a certain amount and you get like a free mini roll-on deo, but I missed it. Next is this huge box. We have multiple products from one of my most favorite brands in the recent times, which is Plum. Plum had a deal in which if you shop worth rupees 500 or 599, you receive like a full-sized serum and a mini travel kit worth rupees 799 in total. First is this free product I received with my purchase. This is the Oso Vanilla Trio. It comes with a body lotion, body mist and shower gel. The next product is also a free product I received with my purchase. It's the Bulgarian Rose and Hyaluronic Acid Serum. And this is the purchase that I made. I heard great reviews on the Plum shampoo range, especially this one for wavy frizzy hair, and wanted to try it out myself. So got my hands on these and also stocked up on my favorite rice water and niacinamide sunscreen.